These look the same. Alone, lone, lonely, but they're not. You can be in a crowded room and still be alone, and you can be a lone traveler without being alone, and you can be surrounded by people and still feel lonely. That's where people get confused. Alone is a state. I am alone. It describes your situation right now. For example, you're at home. No one else is there. You're alone. But lonely? That's a feeling. I feel lonely. For example, you're at a party. People are talking, but you feel disconnected. You're not alone, but you feel lonely. That's the key. Alone is physical. Lonely is emotional. Now lone. You don't feel lone. You use it to describe something. A lone traveler in a city. A lone wolf in the wild. A lone voice in the crowd. It describes something that stands by itself. Now compare them. You can be alone at home, by yourself, and feel completely fine. You can feel lonely in a room full of people and feel completely disconnected. And you can be a lone traveler exploring a new place without feeling lonely at all. Same idea, different roles. Use them right, and it sounds natural. Use them wrong, and people notice.